My name's Tushar.
Hi, Tushar.
We run a platform called Sweet Seconds in Style. It's a luxury discovery platform. Until now, we've been speaking about watches, hotels, suites, and lifestyle. And we're very happy to be speaking about Farah Khan Fine Jewelry today.
Thank you.
If I could take you to the story behind Farah Khan Fine Jewelry, we often say that every great piece, before it acquires a price, it has a great story. So, what is the story behind Farah Khan Fine Jewelry?
I think my story is about creativity, design, craftsmanship, passion, most importantly, because I didn't plan to become a jewelry designer. I think my career found me. I did travel to America to accompany a friend of mine because I wanted to do this course in gemology. But the actual reason for the course was just to get away from Bombay, get away from India, and party in America. But once I landed in America, I realized that I loved what I was, what I'd signed up for. And so when I came back to India, I launched my career 33 years ago. And since then, it's just been a lot of passion, a lot of drive, a lot of love for what I do. I always tell people, I don't just love to design, I live to design. So it's been, my brand has been here around since 2004, so that's 22 years. But I've been around for 11 years longer, so that's 33 years. And I would say I'm an encyclopedia about jewelry. And jewelry to me is more about not a product, but it's a feeling, it's an emotion. It's a memory, a moment in people's lives.
And continuing on the point you mentioned about design, when someone enters one of your boutiques, what is that unmistakable signature, either about the design or the provenance or the rarity that you want them to take back with them?
I think all my jewelry is alive. Everyone looks at it and says, wow, it's so three-dimensional. And it's also very colorful because I love playing with color. I'm inspired by nature and architecture. So, like if you see something like this, there's so much of, nature in here. You can see the leaves, you can see, the corals and the emeralds and how it just goes to form, like a flower with leaves. Even this one is again inspired by nature. Again, rubies and rose cuts and diamonds, and very, very three-dimensional because when you try this on your wrist, just see how pretty that is. Yeah.
Indeed.
So people always know me for signature pieces, even like this, which is one of our jhumkis I've done now with birds. There's a lot of detailing here because you have, mother of pearl in the birds' leaves, and then you have rubies, and then they radiate into diamonds, and they just look so nice when you wear them
Absolutely.
on your ear. And again, it's a signature piece.
Right.
So everyone knows a Farah Khan piece has to be a signature. It's not one run of the mill. But more importantly, we also do pieces which are classic. Like maybe this is a rose bracelet, Again, very, very delicate, but the finish, I have to say that nobody can beat my finish in the Indian market.
Right.
I say that with a lot of pride. Because I look through every piece myself personally, and for me, the functionality of how something works is as important as the design.
Absolutely. I think, a lot of your thoughts resonates with the world of horology as well. But you've designed so many bespoke pieces already, but out of all that you've designed, are there 2 or 3 pieces that still stay with you,
I've done so much jewelry all over my life, so it's very difficult to say which one stayed with me. But of course, I've had many favorites. Currently, we're just launching this, and this has to be one of my favorites because it's really beautifully done, and I just love the way the earrings, both of the earrings. I just love the way they sit on the ear. It's so stunning.
Let's say 50 years down the line, if these were ever presented in an auction, what would you like the person who's buying this to say about the woman who designed it?
I think the person who would buy this would firstly fall in love with the craftsmanship of the design. And more importantly, it would be jewelry that had lived through many years, so it would bring happy memories. And I'm sure they would be very, very fascinated by the design, the craftsmanship, the efforts that has gone into producing this beautiful piece of art. So I think that's what they would think about me, that I was someone who looked into every little detail.
Excellent. Thank you.
Thank you.